Welcome back. Okay, in today's video I'll be showing you how you can make use of the Bezier Tool on Pixellab. So if you're new here, consider subscribing for more design tips and inspiration. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment below. And to my returning viewers, thank you so much for your continued support. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so this is Pixellab, and let me just delete the default text. Okay, so now for us to gain access to the Bezier Tool, make use of the pen so you can see. We'll be coming over here to get the Bezier Tool. Okay, so let's do that. We'll click on that and we'll introduce the Bezier Tool. Okay, so once you click on the Bezier Tool, there are other options here, and I'll be explaining to you how to use all of them and what each one stands for. Okay, from the first one, you can see this plus button here. What this plus button here helps you to do is to duplicate the Bezier line or curve. Okay, and you can see this minus here. This minus helps you to delete it. So another way of duplicating this is by clicking on this copy here to actually duplicate it. Okay, and you can use this back arrow. Here. Okay, let me make use of this. You can use this back arrow to take this backward. You can to select between the both of them, like for example. Okay, let me move this down so I'll explain. You see, if we click back and front, we can select between the curves to work on. Okay, so that is it on this upper layout. Okay, let's move over to the second layout. Okay, so for the second layout, once this is highlighted, once this first one is highlighted, what it does is to help you to add node, the curve node. Okay, and this second one helps you to work on the node by adjusting it and working on it. Okay, this third one helps you to move your curve or your shape of what you've drawn around. It helps you to move it around. Okay, let's click on this back. Okay, so if we go down, you can see actions. Okay, so for this first one help you to it deletes the node. Yeah, this first one deletes the node you've added. Okay, so this second one helps you to join the curve. It helps you to join the curve. For example, if you click on this, you see that the first and the second curve are joined. Okay, and once you make use of the joining of this particular tool here to join the curve, this automatically, okay, let me make use of this brush so you can see this. Okay, so this automatically helps you to unlink or unjoin the curve. So if you click on this, we can see this. Okay, so this arrow here that have this up and down arrow helps you to increase or reduce the scale, exactly like this. Okay, sorry for that. Then this other one, helps you to rotate it. Then moving on, we have the stroke. The stroke, which just basically helps you to increase the size of the curve. Okay, we have the opacity. We use to reduce the transparency, and you can select colors. Okay, so we'll be doing a practical on this, so you fully understand this. Okay, let me just cancel this. And delete this, so we'll start all over again. Okay, so let's first introduce the Bezier tool, and we'll be introducing our grid lines here. Okay, so now we'll be drawing a triangle. So that will be the first practical we'll be doing here. Okay, so first thing first, we'll be adding triangle has three sides. So we'll be making use of 3 nodes here, and we have 2. So we'll just come over here, and we'll be adding a node. Okay, we'll first of all join it, and after joining it, you can click here to add a node. Okay, but there's another way we can do that which will be faster and easier. Okay, so let me delete the nodes from here, and let me turn off the grid line so you can see. So once this is like this, what this helps you to do is to draw straight line. So if you click on this here and you see we've drawn a straight line, and still clicking on this, bringing it down, we've drawn a straight line. Then after that, you can just click on this place here. Okay, you can click on this place to join the node together. Okay, let's click on that, and this is it. Okay, so now we can introduce our grid lines if we want to actually make the shape to be perfect, to be equal, and to make the sharp edge equal. But before we start that, I'll be showing you something. We'll be enabling this magnet tool in these grid lines. I know many of you might not have known this tool or used it. Okay, so we'll be making use of this. What this does is that anywhere the node is and it comes towards the grid lines, it will automatically magnet the node to the grid line. So see what I mean. So okay, let's click on edit here. We'll select the second one, so we'll work on the node. So if I select this one, sorry for that. Okay, so if I select this one and place it here, you see it automatically magnets the node to the grid line exactly like this. Okay, so we'll be doing same for this side, and this is already magnetized, and this is it. So if we click on good now, you can see we've drawn a perfect triangle. Okay, so we'll click on this, still clicking on the edit in the Bezier tool. We can increase the fill opacity. We can increase it, and we can change the color of the opacity. Okay, we can change the color, and after doing that, we can reduce the stroke width. And this is it. We've created a perfect triangle. Use of another example. Let's try a square shape. So if you click on Bezier, and square shape is quadrilateral, so it has four sides. Definitely it will be having four nodes. So we'll just click on this and we've created four nodes. Then we'll be clicking on this to join the node. Okay, and we'll click on edit to edit the node. We'll introduce our grid lines, and we'll keep our magnet tool on. Okay, and we'll just keep this there, and also keep this here. Okay, just pay attention, you will understand this. Okay, let's place this one here, and let's place this one here. Okay, and we'll be adding the grid lines. Okay, so let's introduce the vertical grid line. Let's place this one here, and introduce a horizontal grid line, and let's place this one somewhere here. Okay, so once we've done that, okay, let me reduce the node of this to this place. Okay, so if you're having something like this, easier for you to just adjust. You will just adjust this here and try adjusting this here, and that upside is settled. We'll be doing same for this other downside, for this side, and repeating the same process. So you just keep doing this until you get the shape or the tool you actually want to draw. Okay, we'll be adding, or we'll be adjusting this horizontal grid line to this place, and be adjusting this one here, and just adjusting them perfectly here. And this is it. We've created our square shape easily and straight. Okay, this is how to make use of your Bezier tool. This is the basis to understanding Bezier tool. Okay, let's make use of one last example involving a curve or a circle. Okay, we'll go over to Bezier, and okay, let's join this. Okay, so once we've joined this, let's try creating a circle. So we introduce our grid lines, and clicking on this place so we'll be able to adjust the node. Let's place this here and try adjusting this. Okay, let's turn off this magnetizing tool, and we'll just adjust this. and we'll be adjusting the up also and adjusting this place. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Not really a nice circle, but this is how you can draw on your Bezier tool. This is how to achieve something like this on your Bezier tool. Okay, there's a tool I forgot to show you on the Bezier tool, and I'll be doing that now. Okay, let me just draw something here. Let's draw a right angle triangle here. Let me add the node and join this together. Okay, introducing our grid lines and selecting this. Let's just adjust this so you can see this. Okay, so let's say we have something like this. Okay, all these down tools, all these down tools, this place. Okay, let me show you. This place is here. I'll be explaining it for you. Okay, so this one helps you to make the edge of your design curved. Yes, it helps you make the edge of your design or shape curve, as you can see. Then this one makes it to become flat. So if you can notice, let me draw. If you can notice, once you apply that, this place becomes flat. Okay, and this one just helps it to be pointed. This one helps the edges of your design to be pointed. Okay, so this is the first introduction to Bezier tool we'll be doing for now. We'll be doing more subsequently. So thank you for watching to the end. If you gained value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell.